Ever tear a notebook page and it turns into a jagged mess? That's exactly what perforation is meant to prevent. Perforated pages use a precise tear lines so you can remove a sheet cleanly while the rest stays neat and bound. That's why they show up in notebooks, planners, workbooks, tickets, and forms anywhere people need to detach information fast. The next question is, how do you bind them? Not every binding works, but 4 do. Spiral or coil binding uses a plastic or metal coil. Pages stay put until you tear them out. Saddle stitches for thin booklets. Put the perf about 0.2 inch from the fold. Perfect or case binding is for thicker books. Keep the perf at least 10 millimeters from the spine. For notepads, pad glue binding adds the perf line right under the glue. Pages peel off clean, and the backboard stays firm. Share your use case, and we'll map the perforation style and binding safe margins.